everybody, welcome back to my channel. In this short video, I will tell you that how you can easily update YouTube application in 2024 and how you can easily get access to all the latest features of YouTube application. So basically there are two different ways to update any application on both Android and iPhones. So I will tell you both ways, and if you are new on the channel, please like the video and hit that subscribe button for more upcoming tutorials like this. So let's get started without wasting a single second. So the first way is to simply head into the App Store or Play Store that everybody knows to search for that particular app. For example, I will search for YouTube and then tap on YouTube, and then if it says update, tap on update, and if it says open, your app is already updated to the latest version. But there is a situation when it says update, it says open, and technically your app is updated to the latest version, but you don't have access to all the latest features. In that case, you can do one thing: you can force update your application by simply heading over to the settings, then tap on general, and then iPhone storage, and then find YouTube. When you found it, tap on offload app and then reinstall the app. Basically it will not remove your app data or anything like that. Simply it will reinstall and it will force update the YouTube application to the latest version. So that's all for today. If you have found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button, and if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section.